Hello everyone, I am Archana Rani. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss assignment number 6 for Python Programming Laboratory SYMCA. The problem definition is to simulate the simple calculator that perform the basic tasks such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with special operators like computing the power of x to y and the calculate the x factorial. The learning objective for this assignment is to learn how to use the looping function and mathematical function in Python. And the outcome is expected to compute the arithmetic operator by using the function concept in using Python. As already said it, the problem definition is given that we have to simulate the simple calculator by performing the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, as well as we have to compute the special operation like computing the power and the factorial of the number. Prerequisite for this program is the student should know how to take the input and output from the in the Python. What are the different data types of the Python? What are the Pythons? How to use the operators as in definition itself said it. Similarly, looping statement. How to use the looping statement? Then
Sir, I
the
posted the link in chat
function
box, sir.
statements. How to use the function statements? Functions concept in a Python that we are going to discuss. The problem solution for the definition is we have to perform the 5 steps that first take the two numbers to perform the operations from the users as a input. Then by using the function concept, we have to define the various functions like to perform the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, as well as calculate the power of the number and factorial of the number. And using the mathematical functions compute, we perform the arithmetic operations, then we perform the power and the factorial of the number, and finally we print the result of the appropriate operations, and then we can exit from the program. Description of the program, for as it's given in a definition itself that we have to perform the various operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So for that we should know what are the arithmetic operators is support in a Python. So as everybody is knowing that for arithmetic operator we are getting the operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo and exponent in a Python programming. And hope everybody is already knowing what are the uses of arithmetic operations. Like addition is perform the addition, subtraction used for the subtraction, multiplication is used for multiplication, division is used for division, modulo used for the remainder, calculate the remainder, and exponent is used for the power. Likewise we are using it. Whereas how to use the power function, for calculating the power function, as I said it, that either you can use it the two multiplication signs that help to calculate the power functions, or you will get it the mathematical functions, the inbuilt mathematical functions. So with the help of that mathematical functions you can perform that power operations. So in this program I have shown you that how to use it the arithmetic operator by using the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operator. Whereas for power and calculating factorial, I have used it the mathematical functions like PWO is used for the power, and factorial function itself is used for the calculating the factorial. As I said it, for calculating the power for the number, we use it the power function, and this function is return the value of x to the power of y. Whereas that whatever computations or the whatever calculations is done, it return that to the specific number, that number we stored it, that is the result we stored in that variable. Similarly, the factorial can be calculated by using the factorial method, and it's written the factorial of that specific number. Hope everybody is knowing how to calculate the factorial. If I take it the example for the 6, if I want to calculate the factorial of 6, then I may calculate it there by multiplying 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and answers I may get it that 720. Then how to implement the function concept in Python? It's already covered in assignment number 5, but let's we take a look on it by using the def function, def keyword. We can write it the function. Now what is the use of function? That is a self-contained block of statement that perform the specific task. Likewise, when we want to perform the functions, that time we can define the when we want to perform the specific number of the code or the line of the code multiple times, when we want to use that time we can define the functions. So by defining that functions, we can call that functions number of time to avoid the redundancy of the code. For calling the functions with the help of that function name, we can call it directly. So for declaring the function, we use it def keyword and then function name, and whatever the statements of the body or whatever the body of the functions we require to add it, that you can add. Yes, and once you finish the definition of the functions, for calling it directly, you call that function name, so it can be work it. And by using this concept, I have written the program for the define problem definitions and perform the operations. As I already said it, for demonstrating it how to use it the mathematical operations, I have used it the power function and factorial functions, you may see in the program. And for performing the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations, I have defined the four different functions. For addition, add function; for subtraction, sub function; multiplication, multiple functions; and division, divide functions. I have defined it and passing every time passing the two numbers in that function for performing the operations. Whereas for calculating the power, I use it the function is power function, and for calculating factorial, define the factorial functions likewise. For factorial, power function is very easy, that I have already shown you the demonstration, that we readily get it, that power function in mathematics, that by using math.pw functions we can perform it. Whereas for calculating the factorial, either you can use it the factorial the directly factorial function, inbuilt functions, or you can write it the program and you can perform it likewise. So here I have shown you manually also that how to calculate the factorial. Factorial initially we declare as a 1. If x is 0, then it will return that factorial number, that is 1. For 0 also factorial. Yes. Whereas the else part is shown that as I have shown it, that how to calculate the factorial, that the number is reducing by the one value and it get multiplied by it. Likewise it's performed here. And then it's shown, I have prepared here the menu driven program. In that menu I have taken it all the whatever operations we want to perform in the program, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then power and the factorial. Then I have taken the choice from the user, that enter your choice, and if I give it the choice as a 1, so here I am going to demonstrate you how to implement the switch statement also, as switch is not supported in Python, so we have to take it the help from the if statement. If choice is 1, then what will happen? Choice is 2, what will happen? Similarly, up to 6 choices I have written the program. And once you read it the first number and second number from the user, then you have to call it the appropriate functions, what functions we have defined for that particular choice. For example, here the first menu we have declared as a add. So in choice 1, I have once I have read it the number as the first number and second number, I am going to call the add function by passing that number 1 and number 2. Similarly, for the second choice, passing the calling the subtraction function, that is sub function, and passing the two numbers. For multiplication, similarly same thing. For multiplications, I am calling mult functions. For division, I am calling the div functions and passing the two numbers. For calculating the factorials, again I read it the number 1 and number 2 and calling that power function. Similarly, for factorial also I read it single number for the factorial and pass it that number to the functions, and I prepared the program. Okay, if we run this program, then the output may generate like this. As I said it, it's a menu driven program, so it will show the menu and it asks for the user choice. Then it asks, if I give it the first choice, then ask for the number, first number, second number, then show the addition. Similarly, second choice show sorry, next choice I have given directly 3, that is multiplication. So it's showing the multiplication. Every time it will take it the number from the users as the operations we have to perform the different likewise. So you may prepare that you once you can take it the particular two numbers from the user, then you may perform that operations. Okay, likewise also you can perform it. Similarly, the next choice I have taken for the 6, and 6 choice we have given for calculating the factorial. And if we give it the 4 number, then it calculate the 24. Likewise, if I give it the 5 choice, that is the power 1, then it will show you 5 raised to 4, then it shows you the 625 as a power of the 5 raised to 4. Likewise, we have performed the various operations, and simulated the operators, how to use it, the operators like arithmetic operators. If we switch to the desktop and the Python editor, then we can see I have already prepared this program for demonstration. So if we directly go to the run, then it will ask it choice here, like first choice if I given, yes, 1 minute student, I may debug the program first and then run it. First number if I give it 20 and 20, then it's showing the addition as 10 plus 20 30. The second choice if I given 2, that is subtraction, if I give it 10 and second number 5, then it's showing the subtraction 10 minus 5, answer is 5. Likewise, if I directly give it the choice as a 5, that is calculating the power, and if I give it 2 raised to 3, then power, hope all of you are already knowing that 2 raised to 3 power is 8. So it's showing the answer as a 8. Hope you are getting me. Yeah. And next one, if I give it the choice as a 6, that is calculating the factorial number. If I give 5, then the 5 factorial we get it 120. Likewise, the program has been written. How that program has been written, I have already explained it. As we are using the mathematical function, so we have to import that math package here, then define the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and power and factorial functions, and perform by using the menu driven program. Yes, if the condition is true, then it will continuously work in a loop, similar to do you want to continue, and then we can continuously run the program. If I give it the choice as a first one, that first, second, third, it's likewise the 6 choices I have given here, and performing the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then power and factorial. Likewise, hope you this program. And the conclusion is, as per the data read from the users, I performed the various arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplications, and calculated the factorial as well as the power of the numbers. Yes, and the data has been examined. Yeah, thank you. This is all from the assignment number 6 for PPL assignment. Thank you.